Hey, Kate.
Hey, let's move right along to the forecast. It's going to feel more like Florida than, Philadelphia.
That's right. Speaking of high temperatures.
Yes, there you go. The temperatures I'm on a roll this morning. High, just like anyone who stumbled across that street. Let's take a look. Right now in Philadelphia, it's kind of cloudy this morning. That's keeping things a little bit on the cooler side, at least in our outlying areas. It's in the 70s in the city, 71 degrees. Dew points in the 60s. That's not terrible. Winds are out of the southeast at 5 miles an hour, but we are tracking an area of showers and storms just off to the south this morning and watching this closely because it looks like this is at least clipping Lancaster County here. You can see a couple of showers getting in there and will likely move into northern Delaware, possibly impacting portions of Chester and Delaware counties this morning. So if you wake up and start to hear some rumbles of thunder, that's what's causing it. This weak disturbance off to the south. That will then clear, and then later today we can expect some showers and storms off to the north and west. So the clouds will stay with us through the morning with that disturbance off to the south, and more clouds than sun out there today. Certainly not as bright and sunny as our weekend was. That will keep temperatures a bit limited. We'll talk mid to upper 80s outside today. Enjoy it while it's here because then we're off to the races heat-wise later on in the week. So the storms today are courtesy of this trough in the atmosphere. Once that moves out, the heat will build. By Friday, we challenge a record high, which is 100 degrees, and then by the weekend, we will see a cold front sweep through, and we'll be kind of more on the periphery of that heat. But again, the record on Friday is 100 degrees. So let's talk about triple-digit days in Philadelphia. The hottest day ever recorded in Philadelphia since records began was 106, and that was a long time ago, more than 100 years ago, August 7th of 1918. We have never gotten back to 106. We have had 62 days at or over 100 since records started in 1881. Our last 100-degree day, though, was more than a decade ago. It was July 7th of 2012 when we hit 101. Last year, our hottest day, well, we got close, 99, and that was exactly 1 year ago today, July 24th. Today is not in the 90s, but we get there tomorrow with a few scattered afternoon storms. The storm threat decreases a bit later on in the week, and that's going to allow the heat to build a bit more. So 92 degrees on Wednesday, 94 by Thursday, 97 on Friday. There's a chance we go even a bit warmer, but we'll see how high the humidity is. It's tough to warm up quite as much when the humidity is high. That keeps you a little bit more limited. I think it's going to feel like 107, though you can tack on about 10 degrees when you factor in the moisture. And then Saturday, late in the day, looks like our best chance for showers and storms over the weekend, and then more comfortable back to the 80s at least on Sunday. So a sweltering finish to the week, but first some scattered showers and storms to get through today and tomorrow.